Second choice, Kovlan, number 2, Kidlat, 2A, Dignified. All set now, ready to race. Race number 5. And the race is on. Blue Material from the outside, rushing up. Boomerang. Also moving up is Isla Verde. Dignified on the inside is Good as Gold. Boomerang by about 3 lengths, followed by Isla Verde. Gawang Pinoy racing on the outside. Dignified by the release, Good as Gold. The reason why, Fantastic G racing on the outside. Kidlat, Blue Material, while Emperor Princess is running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, Boomerang by about 5 lengths. Gawang Pinoy running in second. Isla Verde is running by the rail. Dignified, Blue Material, Kidlat, Good as Gold, and Fantastic J. As they race the last 450, Boomerang by about 2 lengths. Gawang Pinoy is running by the rail to grab the lead. It's now Gawang Pinoy, Boomerang in second. Blue Material, Dignified on the inside is La Verde. And nearing the finish line, Gawang Pinoy by about 2 lengths. Blue Material, and finally Gawang Pinoy, Blue Material, Boomerang, Dignified, Kidlat, Isla Verde, Fantastic G.